In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively trim your video clips in a timeline for your editing project. Whether you're working on a professional video or just something for fun, knowing how to manipulate clips is key to creating a polished, final product. Let's dive into it step by step. First, navigate to your timeline in the editing software and carefully select the clip you want to modify. This will be the main focus of our tutorial today, as refining this clip is essential for your video to have the best possible flow. Once you've identified the clip, it's time to select the razor tool. You can achieve this by either pressing the C key on your keyboard or finding it in the Tools panel. The razor tool is indispensable in video editing as it allows us to slice our clip into separate segments, enabling precise alterations. Now, with the razor tool activated, click directly on the clip at the exact point where you want to divide it. This action creates two separate segments, and you might end up with more depending on how many cuts you make. This is particularly useful when you want to remove or rearrange specific parts of the video. Next, we need to address the segments you've decided are unnecessary. To do this, switch to the Selection tool by either pressing the V key on your keyboard or selecting it from the Tools panel. Now, with the Selection tool active, click on the unwanted segment of your clip. Once selected, you can simply hit Delete on your keyboard, and that part of the video is removed from the timeline. After deleting a segment, you might notice a gap left in your timeline. Don't worry, this is quite common in video editing. To ensure your video plays seamlessly, you'll want to close that gap. Simply click and drag the remaining clip to the left, making sure to snap it into the space left by the deleted segment. This step ensures that your video flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Now, there might be times when you need to adjust the length of a segment within a clip. Hover your mouse over the left or right edge of a clip on your timeline until the trim icon appears. It should look like two brackets with an arrow in between. This indicates you can now trim your clip. Clicking and dragging this icon inward or outward will adjust the in or out point of the clip, effectively altering how much of the original footage is used in your sequence. This tool provides great flexibility, allowing you to precisely tailor your clips to your creative vision. And there you have it, a complete guide to making basic edits on your timeline. Mastering these techniques will surely enhance the quality and coherence of your videos, making your story shine through effortlessly. Happy editing!